Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, Grandpapa Pete don't enter one chance. Grandpapa Pete, he don't buy market for the Juju Ekwensu hand. Juju Ekwensu mama, Juju Ekwensu sister, and Juju Ekwensu herself. They don't plan another plan come out for the Edochie family. Because as it is now, Juju Ekwensu, the relationship has finally come to an end. You know, say even when she dey see the pit, she go dey fall enter. She go say, angel of God go save her. That is Juju Ekwensu for you. She dey see her say the thing a red flag, but she go dey won't try to prove say that red flag na green flag. Juju Ekwensu don't see her now say this relationship between she and Yoyoyo, it has already ended. Frankly speaking, from the heart, it don't end. Yoyoyo have realized that this woman is nothing but a setback to his life. Anybody wey won't help him because of Juju Ekwensu, they go withdraw hand. You don't realize many things. The man don't begin to see the true identity of Juju Ekwensu. Now you style withdraw, come on for where this woman dey. So as it is now, Juju Ekwensu and her family know very well. Say this thing called relationship, it not dey again. So they decided to use waiting they know best to attack the Edochie family. There is this thing where they use, say they get Yoyoyo every time when it be say the relationship scatter. Remember, Juju Ekwensu has always said she have secrets of Grandpapa and Yoyoyo for her hand. Say anytime when they misbehave, she go release the secret for social media. She don't use this thing till they threaten them since when this whole story starts. Now, Juju Ekwensu see and say, Yoyoyo not the year can take for her side again. Juju Ekwensu when he see say, this whole thing don't they backfire her. Now she, her mother and her sister, they came up with this same story again, using it to threaten the family of Yoyoyo. Now, Yoyoyo na he abandon Juju Ekwensu. Now Yoyoyo na he thought say he know they do again. Juju Ekwensu and her family, they are after Grandpapa. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all, we've not seen anything at all. We've not heard anything about this whole story. The truth behind this story, now one day God go expose all of them. As all of them sit down for table and gather to plan against me, Edochie, now so God go expose them. Juju Ekwensu don't come up with this narrative again. According to what the carry can give us, Juju Ekwensu say, now, Grandpapa, if your son decided to abandon her children, abandon her to herself, she don't carry pikin, won't can give you. Hey! Juju Ekwensu sister is a wine with Juju Ekwensu. They say make Grandpapa can carry pipi, the senior one, no. The senior one, una know say don't say. When we dey ask Juju Ekwensu, who be the papa? Juju Ekwensu say the papa na Grandpapa. Una remember say she don't fail they talk this narrative. Una remember say she don't fail they talk this thing before. Not be today she start to the talk. So Grandpapa came out and said, he no know one, no two for waiting Juju Ekwensu they talk. Say he no know one, no two. They just want to destroy his name because he refused to accept them. Now, Juju Ekwensu and her sister, they say no be small thing, no. No be small thing. Like, is this family meant to destroy marriages wey don't take? Because Yoyoyo and May Edochie marriage was getting to almost 20 years when Juju Ekwensu from nowhere destroy am. Now they don't enter grandpapa own. Juju Ekwensu go bring old picture come o. He say make grandpapa look this picture well in case old age dey worry am for brain or eye. By the time he look this picture well, he brain go come back. According to Juju Ekwensu and her sister, they say Yoyo can go. Since na grandpapa, they advise Yoyo, make Yoyo leave Juju Ekwensu. No problem. They are bringing Pipi to go and meet his biological father. They no pour water for mouth, talk am. They talk am into hey, they did not even consider the 50-something years old wife, abi 60-something years old wife, where grandpapa Pete put for house. Juju Ekwensu's sister, the mother and her family, they are truly home destroyer, home wrecker. Now they be. They no put water for mouth, they talk am. They say that they carry pikin go give grandpapa. With social media, Juju Ekwensu say, grandpapa, you can't carry your pikin. Enough fit train. Since your son not there to train, you go train your pikin. Carry go give your wife. My people, they say no be small threatening. If you see the way Juju Ekwensu dey threaten, now mama Juju Ekwensu for inside, come tell grandpapa say, if he no want this shame and disgrace, make he tell Yoyo me return back to Abuja. They are now using Yoyo to do trade fair. So mama say make grandpapa return Yoyo to Abuja, or the whole world will hear their story. If it won't happen, it will worst. It will be the end of all of them. So make grandpapa begin to consider on how to bring Yoyo back to Abuja. Agreement is agreement. Whether they like it or not, Yoyo must return back to Abuja. They say if Yoyo not return, they are returning Pipi to grandpapa. Juju Ekwensu went ahead and tell grandpapa say, make grandpapa remember say, this pikin, na him tell you say make they bring her come make it bless her. Nobody tell am. Evidence stay ground. They say Juju Ekwensu tell grandpapa say, the time wey he take call and tell am say, make they bring the pikin come, make they bless her. Why is he so interested in blessing Pipi? Why he not bless the rest children? Why was he so interested in blessing Pipi? Juju Ekwensu say evidence for ground. He said, grandpapa, return Yoyo and let this secret be buried. If not, the world go here. My people, wonder shall never end though. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu and her family now, they do trade fair with grandpapa. Mama Juju Ekwensu say her daughter na be victim. Say enough is enough. Her daughter cannot take this whole thing anymore. Everybody is against her daughter. Now make her daughter cry before the truth go come outside. My people, according to what they say, the Mama Juju Ekwensu they talk behind closed door. They say Mama Juju Ekwensu say, grandpapa give Juju Ekwensu belle. He give her belle finish now. He can't carry the belle, say make he give his son. Because they need to protect their family name. If they thought say now, Yoyo, it go dey easier. Pass say they say grandpapa. Now they carry Juju Ekwensu give Yoyo. Carry the pregnancy, carry the belle, carry pikin, give Yoyo. After that one don't happen finish now, Yoyo and Juju Ekwensu, two of them can just continue relationship from there. Say grandpapa na still tell them say, make two of them continue so that it no go look suspicious. So according to Juju Ekwensu mother, during the time where grandpapa take go dey knack Juju Ekwensu for hotel, some people they see him. So for those people not to say, I been a grandpapa can't get picky, they just say me you carry Juju Ekwensu. Now wait till Juju Ekwensu, mama they talk now. He say now they take give Juju Ekwensu to Yoyo. He say now see the way that they use her daughter till they play game. Yoyo go just wake up one morning, he not do again, he go just come out, the papa go support her. Mama Juju Ekwensu say, grandpapa, if you know what is good, just carry your son, return back to Abuja. Juju Ekwensu and Yoyo, he say na contracts. He say contract expire before person they leave work. He said, your contract never expire. He said, if grandpapa just know what is good, may he carry his son back to Abuja. If not, everywhere go scatter. It be like say grandpapa no know them. Abi no go ask for emoji. They no get shame. Shame no dey their eye. They don't ban the rich 3 times for emoji. Now they still be this. They no get shame. So grandpapa, you're the one that have to lose. Just return yo and let everything buy like that. If not, Papa is about to go down. My lovely fans, now the threat where they continue threatening grandpapa. My will be say this threat, they've said it before. This is not the first time. And Juju Ekwensu keep on saying, every time say she get waiting, she say they threaten these people. She get waiting secret when the day between she and these people. Now see the almighty one where we call here now. See the almighty one where we call here. At this time around, I think the grandpapa should take action. If his hand is really clean, he should take action on this. You know, if you allow Juju Ekwensu go enter a house, destroy his son marriage. Now he won't destroy your marriage. He won't destroy him. He won't scatter him. That is to tell you, this family, anywhere where they go, they scatter. How will you say grandpapa give you belle, you born pikin, they come tell you may carry pikin give you yo? What kind of talk is that? My people, wonder shall never end though. Juju Ekwensu say na so it happen. Juju Ekwensu mama say na so it happen. Juju Ekwensu sister say na so it happen. Grandpapa said these people want to destroy his name because he refused to accept them as a daughter-in-law, as a in-law to this family. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.